It's been now a month since the Prime Minister announced the scrapping of the old 500 and 1,000 currency rupee notes. And even though the situation has only slightly improved on the ground, the cash crunch continues at various banks and ATMs as well. Senior citizens were seen queuing up since morning today to collect their pensions, and most ATMs are still running dry or they're non-functional. However, the crowd is far better managed than what we saw in the earlier days following that big announcement. The situation is under control. People are, however, still complaining of mismanagement at some places. There are instances where bank officials have failed to dispense cash to all of the customers, which has led to some anxiety and anger. Experts, however, believe that the impact on the economy, which was rather immediate, is likely to continue for the next month as well.
The announcement of demonetization has led to queues outside banks. It has been a month since the demonetization was announced. There are too many questions: the withdrawal limits, cash supply, and withdrawals from ATMs. Would like to speak to some people here who are standing in the queue to understand what has changed in their life in this past 1 month. मैडम, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, 1 महीना हुआ है अनाउंसमेंट होकर के, क्या बदलाव आए हैं? अच्छे बदलाव आए हैं, बुरे बदलाव आए हैं? कैसा चल रही ज़िंदगी?
अच्छे चल रहे हैं, इसीलिए थोड़ा तकलीफ तो होगी, लेकिन अच्छा हो रहा है, जो हो रहा है तो अच्छा हो रहा है।
आप एक घर का ख्याल रखती होंगी, एक हाउसवाइफ होंगी, तो जैसे राशन लाना हो गया, लोग पेटीएम जैसे जो कैशलेस ट्रांजैक्शन है वो एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं आसानी से, बच्चों को जो पॉकेट मनी देना होता है वो सब हो पा रहा है, छुट्टे का मसला जो है?
हाँ, अच्छा हो रहा है।
Salaried people also wanted to withdraw when this month's salary had come into their accounts. सर, आप में से बात करना चाहे अगर कोई कि कैसा 1 महीना हो गया है, पैसे विड्रॉ, सैलरी अकाउंट किसी का होगा, पैसे विड्रॉ कर पा रहे हैं क्या? क्या तकलीफें आ रही हैं?
तकलीफ कुछ नहीं आ रहा है अभी तो, फिलहाल तो ठीक ही है।
जोर से बोलिए, जोर से।
अपना तो तकलीफ नहीं है, ठीक है।
आप में से किसी को सर सैलरी अकाउंट है क्या, या क्या विड्रॉल पे लिमिट है?
विड्रॉल पे 10,000 लिमिट है, दैट इज नॉट गुड, because you have to stand in a queue, then they are giving only 10,000 rupees because they don't have any sufficient funds. That is not a good thing, because I have to leave my work, waste 3-4 hours every day. I can't afford to do that. Since morning I have gone to 3 banks, everywhere the long queue is there. Finally this is a small queue, that's why I'm standing here. I have account with 4 banks.
You have account with 4 banks, and then too you are finding it difficult to withdraw?
It's difficult because everywhere there is, all are scheduled bank. So all are having long queues. It's not like the small banks where normally don't have people don't have accounts. But ICICI Bank, Union Bank, SBI Bank, they have lot of customers. Okay, so they have long queues. So this is a small queue. I have an account here, so I'm waiting here. But they are telling me that they can give me only 10,000 rupees. How should I run my house?
The concern which remains with the customers is that of cash supply, that if we can get enough cash, we can withdraw from the banks and from the ATMs, then it seems that the problems which have been pertaining since last 1 month can be solved easily. With camera person Kiran Sapkal, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
There are still only a few functioning ATMs in the national capital, despite the fact that it's going to be 1 month since the Prime Minister announced his move to demonetize the 500 and 1,000 rupee notes. Let's speak to some people who've been standing in line. Sir, do you think the situation has gotten better? आपको क्या लगता है हालात पिछले 1 महीने में better हुए हैं?
No, I don't think so. The same condition.
Have you tried withdrawing money in the past, and have you seen any difference in being able to withdraw cash in the past few days?
No, I think it's the same thing, because 1 week ago outside, but I can got the money. The same thing. So situation is bad.
ये अनाउंसमेंट 1 महीने पहले हुई थी, 1 महीने में और अब में आपको क्या लग रहा है, कुछ फर्क हुआ है?
हाँ, फर्क है।
फर्क है?
हाँ,
कैसे?
अब पहले भीड़ बहुत ज़्यादा थी, एक्सचेंज की वजह से अब भीड़ कम है।
So most people are only depositing money or withdrawing their cash. The exchange process has stopped, which is leading to lesser lines. Hopefully the situation would get better in the coming days, but for now in the national capital at least, most ATMs have run out of cash and most banks have long queues with the tokens being distributed to their customers. With camera person Rakesh, Ilma Hassan for India Today.
And the ongoing political slugfest continues over demonetization. One saw a uproar in Parliament as well, with the entire opposition once again relentlessly thrashing the implementation of the new move. The BJP, in fact, has already defended their move, saying that it is for the greater good for the country and the economy in the longer run. But just let's listen into a few political reactions. Kamaljit Sandhu joins us with the very latest. Kamaljit, once again, those frequent disruptions, that seems to have become a norm in the winter session of Parliament. But tell me something, last time or last year, in fact, we saw similar scenes, whether it was over the intolerance row or over the controversial remarks by Kumari Selja, the VK Singh controversial remarks controversy as well. In that case, the government did adopt a conciliatory approach, to placate the opposition. Do you see a similar thing happening here as well?
Well, Avantika, more or less, it's been a repeat of last Parliament sessions. Each of these Parliament sessions have been extremely dragged. There have been controversy regarding all of them. It seems that perhaps even the government's effort to reach out to opposition hasn't cut ice with them. And that is why there are prolonged discussion. In fact, the session this time around is nothing more than a shouting match between the opposition and the ruling party. Now, if there is a way out, perhaps the government is still looking for ways. Both the opposition as well as the government have made it clear they want a debate. Under what sections? That is a question. Perhaps the opposition is demanding what BJP is not willing to concede is, one, an apology from the Prime Minister. The other part is that they have agreed that Prime Minister would be present in the debate. He would make an intervention. But that is something that opposition is not willing to give. So perhaps even when there is time and place and perhaps the Prime Minister is still present, the opposition not willing to concede and give brownie points to the opposition, to the ruling party, and that is where the status quo is maintained. And perhaps despite making several appeals, it seems the Parliament function, the Parliament session remains a washout session.
Absolutely. Thanks so much, Kamaljit, for joining us.